morning students, you are welcome in the new session. Today I am going to solve exercise 13b of maths class 6. Okay, so first question says that state the type of each of the following angles. Okay, figure I have taken, two figure I have taken, you have to write the name. Last video I have taught you the types of angle: acute angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, zero angle, whatever you have to write here. This is, when if you start from here to move, then this is 0 degree, and when you move and come from here to here, this is 90 degree, and you move more, then when you come up to here, this line, it becomes 180 degree, and from here to here, from this is 270 degree, and when you move from 0 to again 0 whole, then this becomes 360 degree. Okay, and the name is when it is 0 degree, when you don't move, then 0 degree, when you move 0 to 90 degree, 0 to 90, that is right angle, but when you move from here to here less than 1 or 90 degree, then this is said acute angle, but this is made from here like this from, now you can say that from 0 to this, so it is okay more than 90 degree, so you can say this is obtuse angle. And now when you start from, this is in straight line, so this is straight angle. Okay, and the rest you will do yourself. I have taken two only. Now here second number, classify the angle whose magnitude are given below. Values are given, you have to write the name. This is acute angle or obtuse angle or reflex angle, whatever. So this is less than 90 degrees, so you can say this is acute angle. And more than 90 degree, this is obtuse angle. And 0 degree given, that is zero angle. Okay, now third number, how many degrees are there in one right angle? One right angle, 90 degrees. And now fifth number I have taken 2 by third right angle, 2 by third, and the right angle equal to 90 degree. You can cut this one by 30, this is 60 degree. This type you will do the third number question. Now fourth number question. Fourth number question says that how many degree are there in the angle between our hand and the minute hand of a clock when it is 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock, this is 12, this is 3, this is 6, 9. At 3 o'clock, the hour hand is here and the minute hand is at 12. It makes 90 degree. How many degree? 90 degree. At 3 o'clock, the angle between the hour hand and minute hand, it is 90 degree. Now 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock, the hand is the minute hand and the hour hand at 12. Minute hand and the hour hand in a same line. Okay, then it makes the 0 degree. What degree? 0 degree. Angle between minute hand and hour hand at 12 o'clock, it is 0 degree. I hope you got it. Rest you will do Okay, yourself. And now we start the 30C. Now I solve exercise 13C. Measure each of the following angles with the help of a protractor and write the measure in degree. Okay, I have taken two figure. Okay, so first look carefully. You have a smaller protractor. It is a protractor, but it is made of wood. That's why it is bigger. So you can look that the measurement given two-sided. 0 started from here, 0, 10, 20, 30 up to 180. And also one measurement is started from here, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 to 180. Okay, to which you want to, up to which you want to take, you can. Okay, so now I start to measure here. So this line you have to, first this line you have to count, start counting from 0 degree. Okay, so this arrow symbol sign you will keep here, and this line should be placed at 0 degree. Okay, now you can count from here. You always count from 0. Okay, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Not this one. This is 180, 170, 160, 150. This is decreasing order. So I said always we will start counting from 0. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. About 50. This is 50 degree. Okay. Now we measure this one. So you can make one ray, either this one 0 or this one 0. First we make this one 0. So we will so this one, not this one, it will be easy. We will place this one at this side at 0 degree. This arrow at H. Now you can measure 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, this is 60, not 120. 120 has come from 180, 70, 160. It is decreasing order, not from 0. From 0, it became 60 degree. So this became 60 degree. You can write this is 60 degree. Okay, I hope you got it. And there are many examples given. You can do yourself. Now, second number. Construct each of the following angle with the help of a protractor. 25 degree you have to construct with the help of protractor. Okay. So first you will draw one line with the help of a ruler. Okay. Draw one line. And give a point, give the name O, and this is A. Okay, now we have to take 25 degree and we will place this arrow at O, and this is at 0 degree. This is 0 degree, 0, 10, 20, 30, and 25 is here. So you can give 1 point. Now with the help of scale you can match both points. Okay, so this becomes, now you can write angle AOB. This angle AOB equal to 25 degree. Okay, I hope you got it. First you will draw a ray with the help of scale, and then you will put this protractor at O and you can draw. If you want to draw 70 degree or 60 degree, then you will take 0, 10, 20, 25, 30, 40, 60, 70 degree. Then you can keep one point here at 70 degree, and now you can draw a line 70 degree up to here, that is 70 degree. Okay, this is 25 degree. Okay, I hope you got it. Now we do the next question. Now we do the third number. Measure ABC given in the adjoining figure and construct an angle DEF equal to angle ABC. Okay. So first, without measuring, without any help of protractor, also we can draw. First, draw a line. Okay, give the name DE, that is D, and this is E. Okay, we don't know how much this one, so you can take set square. Okay, that is compass. You will take the compass and now you will measure this angle. Okay, you will measure this angle, or first we don't know this is right or wrong. Then you will draw. This figure is given on your book, so you will measure on your book. Just I am giving on demo. Okay, now we will measure how much this one. So we will measure this equals. Okay, so now you will draw okay. Now you can cut because this one is equal to this. Cut, and now you can draw a line. Okay, given name, that is DEF, DE, and here F. This equals to this. You can measure with the help of protractor. Okay, now rest question you will do yourself. Now see you, and we will meet again in the next video, coming video. Till then, have a good day. Bye.